In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Workshop Downloader is not working or downloading. The first thing I suggest you do is you open up Steam and head over to Settings. In here, go to Downloads. Make sure download region is the correct one, and then you want to click Clear Cache. Now once this is done, it's going to restart your Steam and log you out, so make sure you know your password. Once you've done that, what you can do is just close here, come to Task Manager, and make sure that Steam is fully closed down. So click on Details, Name, press Anywhere and press S, look for Steam, and then make sure you end task on all Steam stuff. Once you've done that, your Steam should be closed, and then you can just reopen it, find the game if you're having trouble with any game, right click, Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Now if it still doesn't work, you can try and close down Steam and then find your Steam launcher, or you can search for it down here. Right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and then activate these two. Press Apply and OK and see if it works now. Now if for some reason it's still not working, the last option, and this is an annoying one, but you can reinstall Steam. Just keep in mind it's gonna delete your games, so you should save your games on another drive somewhere, so it's gonna be quick and easy to install back. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.